10-unit desert library, ya'ni desert delivery degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Birinchisi spare degani qo'shimcha degani B variant, local mahalliy E variant, shortage qisqa degani ya'ni kam degani D variant, effort degani sa'y-harakat C variant, entice degani jalb qilmoq F variant va oxirisi expanding kengaytirmoq degani making bigger sinonim bo'ladi. Matnga o'tamiz. These days it's easy for most of us to get hold of latest books or magazines. Bugungi kunda bizni barchamizga eng so'nggi jurnal yoki kitoblarni olish oson. We can go to bookstores, order them through the internet or borrow them from local library. Biz o'sha kitob do'konlariga boramiz, internetdan buyurtma qilamiz va mahalliy kutubxonadan ham olsak bo'ladi. Now imagine having to walk miles and miles through a hot sandy desert just to borrow a book. Endi bo'lsa siz o'sha birgina kitobni olish uchun qumli sahrodan juda ham ko'p masofa yurishni tasavvur qilib ko'ring. This is reality for people living in the villages of the Garissa region of Kenya in East Africa. Sharqiy Afrikada Keniyada joylashgan Garissa rayonida qishloqlar uchun bu ayni haqiqatdir. In 1996, librarian Wycliffe Olak used to spend each day waiting for people to come to borrow some of the 24,000 books in his library in Garissa. 1996-yilda kutubxonachi o'sha Wycliffe Olak degan odam o'zini Garissada kutubxonasida 24 mingta kitobni o'qish uchun kelgan odamlarni kutib o'tiribdi kun bo'yi. The library had no shortage of books, but people weren't coming to read them. Kutubxonada kitob tanqisligi yo'q, lekin odamlar kelishmasdi. It was too much effort to walk through the desert just to borrow books. Kitob olish uchun butun o'sha sahrodan kezish bu shunchaki nima? Shuncha harakat qilish bu oddiy narsa emasdi. Olak worked his brain for ways to entice people into the library. Olak o'sha odamlarni kutubxonasiga jalb qilishni yo'llarini rosa uzoq vaqt o'yladi. After a lot of thought, he had to open a great idea. Juda ko'p o'ylagandan keyin kallasiga bitta g'oya kelib qoldi. If people wouldn't come to the library, then he would have to take the library to them. Agar odamlar kutubxonaga kelishmasa, uni o'zi kutubxonani olib boradi. Olak strapped boxes of books onto books of camels and created mobile camel library. Olak o'sha tuyalarning orqasiga kitoblarni bog'ladi va mobile camel degan kutubxonani yaratdi, ya'ni kashf qildi. Starting with 3 camels in 1996, but more recently expanded its service to 6 camels. The mobile camel library serves over 1 million people. O'sha 1996-yilda 3 ta tuya bilan boshlangan odam bugungi kunda 6 taga ko'paytirgan va o'sha kutubxona 1 million odamga xizmat ko'rsatadi. Twice a month, the camel library can be seen carrying books all around the Garissa region. Oyda 2 marta o'sha kutubxona Garissa rayonida kitob tashiyotib ketib turgan ko'rsangiz bo'ladi, deyapti. Ko'rinish berish mumkin. These hard-working animals need little water and can carry up to 500 pounds of books across his hands. Bu qattiq ishlaydigan jonivorlarga suv kam ketadi va o'sha 500 poundgacha ko'tarish mumkin ekan. Qumlar bo'ylab. A librarian, a library assistant, a herdsman and lookout all travel with the camels. Kutubxonachi, kutubxona yordamchisi, cho'pon va soqchilar birgalikda sayohat qilishadi. Lookout helps protect the books from thieves. Soqchilar bo'lsa kitoblarni o'g'irlikdan himoya qilishga yordam berishadi. The children of Garissa love the camel library and appreciate Olak's effort. Hop, o'sha Garissa bolalari tuyali kutubxonani yaxshi ko'rishadi va Olakning sa'y-harakatlarini qadrlashadi. 11-year-old Muhammad Mohammed reads his library books carefully and always returns them on time. 11 yoshli Mahmud Muhammad kutubxonani o'qiydi kitoblarini va har doim ularni vaqtida qaytaradi. He knows that Garissa library punishes people for losing books just like any other library. U biladiki, Garissa kutubxonasi kitoblarni yo'qotgan odamlarni jazolaydi xuddi boshqa kutubxonalar kabi. However, the punishment is very stiff compared to that of other libraries. Shunga qaramasdan, boshqa kutubxonalarga qaraganda buning jazosi qattiqroq. If a village loses a book, the book camel library stops visiting. Agar qishloq shu kitob yo'qotsa, tuyalar kelishni to'xtatadi. Savollar yo'qsa bo'ladi. What is the main idea of this reading? Bunda to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. Ya'ni qanaqa qilib o'sha kutubxonani yaratilgani haqida. Who travels with mobile camel library? O'sha kutubxona bilan mobile camel bilan kim sayohat qiladi? To'g'ri javob D. Bularning barchasi mana who take care of camels o'sha odamlar. nima qilgan cho'ponlar mana kutubxonada ishlaganlar va kitob qo'riqlaganlar. Why do you think people didn't visit the library in Garissa? Siz nima deb o'ylaysiz? Garissada odamlar nimaga tashrif buyurmaydi? To'g'ri var. Bola, chunki ketib borish juda qiyin. What makes camels good animals to carry books in the desert? To'g'ri javob bitta endi C bo'ladi, ular kuchli va suv kerak emas, bemalol yursa bo'ladi ular bilan. Which of the following best describes the meaning of punish in the reading? Bitta to'g'ri javob bo'ladi, ya'ni kimdir og'riqdan his qilish, jazolash ya'ni. Idiomalar bir get hold of degani olmoq, rape one's brain juda uzoq o'ylamoq, hit on an idea birdaniga yaxshi g'oyaga kelib qolishi. It's difficult to to'g'ri javob bitta get hold of bo'ladi. Mana qishda tarvuzlarni olish juda qiyin. Dad forgive for mom's birthday. Dad hit on an idea for gift for mom's birthday. O'sha dadasiga birdaniga g'oyaga kelib qoldi ayasining tug'ilgan kuniga sovg'a berish uchun. Va uchinchisiga rape an idea, rape one's brain degan idiom tushadi. Summary: the librarian, to'g'ri javob birinchisiga librarian, ikkiga shortage, uchga effort, to'rtga hit on, beshga mobile va oltiga camels tushadi. Testga o'tamiz. What do you like to do in your spare time? To'g'ri javob C. There is no shortage of people interested in the Harry Potter books. We want to expand our office, so we are moving to bigger building. Because the glass was too delicate, he unwrapped the paper and out it very carefully. The of getting library card is quite simple. The process of getting a library card is quite simple. The criminal got a stiff punishment of 30 years in jail. What is the local time in Australia? Many cities use trucks in their mobile library services. Books from students, so we can unload them. Strapless, C variant. The smell of the perfume is very enticing. B variant bo'lar ekan.